Today I'm going to show you how to make this text effect using Canva. Go to Canva and click Create. Go to Custom Size. Let's make 1500. And click Create New Design. Go to Elements, Shapes. Let's choose the square. Go to Color and change the color to black. Adjust the size like this. Make it in the middle and keep this white background and go to Text. Let's change the color to the white color. And let's change the font to leg pattern. Or you can use any font you want. Type your text. Drag this handle to make the text vertical. Go to Advanced Settings and decrease the line spacing. You can see and increase the size. Place it on the right side and go to Elements again. Choose the square. Change the color to white color and let's increase the size of the page and try to place it like this. Duplicates. Let's make more. You can use the arrows in the keyboard to adjust this shape. Let's cover this space that we have here. Duplicate this shape and place it like this. Duplicate. Make another one here and download this page as PNG. Select all and delete. Upload the new image. Remove the background. Go to Edit Dune Custom and change the color to white color and go to Shadow Glow. Let's adjust the blur. Decrease a little bit the size and increase the size to cover the page. And now just bring your image. Let's use this one. Click on this one, increase the size, place it like this, go to Layer and send backward. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about GUM.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.